At the FOMC meeting that concluded today, we maintained our policy interest rate, but made some significant changes to our statement. Since the beginning of the year, we have judged that our current policy stance was broadly appropriate and that we should be patient in assessing the need for any changes. In light of increased uncertainties and muted inflation pressures, we now emphasize that the committee will closely monitor the implications of incoming information for the economic outlook and will act as appropriate to sustain the expansion with a strong labor market and inflation near its 2% objective. So far this year, the economy has performed reasonably well, with solid fundamentals supporting continued growth and strong employment. Inflation has been running somewhat below our objective, but we've expected it to pick up, supported by solid growth and a strong job market. Along with this favorable picture, we've been mindful of some ongoing cross-currents, including trade developments and concerns about global growth. In the weeks since our last meeting, the cross-currents have reemerged. Growth indicators from around the world have disappointed on net, raising concerns about the strength of the global economy. Apparent progress on trade turned to greater uncertainty, and our contacts in business and agriculture report heightened concerns over trade developments. These concerns may have contributed to the drop in business confidence in some recent surveys and may be starting to show through to incoming data. Risk sentiment in financial markets has deteriorated as well. Against this backdrop, inflation remains muted. After running close to our symmetric 2% objective for most of last year, inflation declined in the first quarter. Data since then shows some pickup. Participants broadly see inflation moving back up toward our 2% objective, but at a slower pace than had been expected. The central tendency for 2019 core inflation, which omits volatile food and energy components, is between 1.7 and 1.8%. Setting aside short-term fluctuations, committee participants expressed concerns about the pace of inflation's return to 2%.